I don't want Anioma people to unite with the Southeast, says a woman from Aquanam community in Anioma land. A day before that conference, the Igbo unification movement were at Aquanam community preparing for the conference. So me and Deputy Jesus, we went to a shop close by. And in that shop, we bought mineral and snacks to eat. So when we sat down there, the shop owner, a woman, told us, what are we organizing in this hotel? And we told her that we are here for Igbo unification conference. The next thing she said was that we are Anioma people. We don't want Southeast people. We want to stay on our own. Let Southeast people stay on their own. All we need is to unite Anioma people and be a strong force. We don't want Southeast people to be part of us. We now ask her, tell us one thing that made you not to like Southeast. Just one thing, one thing. Don't talk too much. Just tell us one thing that made you to say you don't want us to unite with Southeast. She not fit talk anything. She just dey look us. We now told her, madam, this one that you are looking at us without replying, tell us one thing that made you to say that Southeast should stay on their own and we Anioma people should stay on our own. She not fit talk anything. We now told her, do you know that the reason why the Igbo race is being hated is because of Kaduna Zog, your brother from Aquanam? She was looking. She said she don't know. She don't know. We now ask her, did you know what caused the Biafra war that took the life of more than 3 million Igbos? She said no, that she don't know all those history. We asked her, you don't know anything about those history? You don't know. You don't just want us to unite with our Southeast brothers? She said yes. Now that time I know, say, so many people you see coming out online to say, we don't want to unite with Southeast. Though. All those people don't have sense. They just come online and say rubbish. Many of them don't even know the history. Many of them don't know what happened. Because they hear them from the mouth of one ignorant person, they start to propagate them. Kaduna Zogo from Aquanam was the major reason why the entire Igbo race suffered during that war. And today you go see somebody from Aquanam come online, they talk rubbish. We Aquanam people, we are not Igbo people. We Aquanam people, we don't have anything to do with the Southeast. Ozwai. If the North said that we will go to the villages and communities of those people that organized that coup, not unless we just come to Aquanam community, kill everybody where did that place. Then if they kill everybody where they Aquanam, they will come go back to the North. But instead, because of Kaduna Zogo, Northerners started killing every Igbo people in the North. More than 30,000 Igbos were killed in the North. Because of who? Kaduna Zogo from Aquanam. Look at the book that was written by Brigadier General Godwin Alabi Sama. In that book, Alabi Sama said that Ukwuani couples, husband and wife, when they come back from Zaria to Kaduna, Northern troops stopped them immediately after the 1966 coup. When the thing they hot, they stopped them. Out of the whole passengers waited that bus. Now only that Ukwuani husband and wife, Northern troops bring out, kill them. Because of waiting Kaduna Zogo, your own brother from Aquanam do, they killed my Ukwuani people. And you will see some of these idiots from Aquanam will come online and say that they don't want us to unite with Southeast. You are the major problem. You can't come out yourself now. Make you be the better person. Go not stand and say you come from Aquanam. Make them remember what Kaduna Zogo do. Propaganda. Many people in the city today, they talk rubbish online. They don't get sense. This is the effect of propaganda. This is why it's good to teach your children history. Teach people around you. For them to know what is happening. You hear something from person mouth, person tell you say, you know what, make Anioma people unite with Southeast. Instead of you to go and make research, you carry that thing, they spread. And she just talk at me and Deputy just they look at me. Immediately, me and Deputy Jesus told that woman that Kaduna and Zogo was the reason why the Igbos were killed in that Biafra war. A man that is very closer to her shop told us, thank you very much, brothers. You just told her the truth. I've been telling this woman this thing. She refused to listen. Ignorant people, you go to tell them something, they don't go here till another person will come tell them that same thing. Now that time their eye go open. She said she don't know. Tell her, why you not go know where they say, you know they make research. This is why so many children are going astray, because their mothers not know anything. You go to flog small children came morning to night. This speaking not they hear word. Wait till you they teach them for them to hear word. You will be the mama not even know anything. You dey hear Biafra war. Waiting cause that Biafra war. Waiting be the things wey happen before that Biafra war. You as a mother, you don't know. We don't want Anioma people to unite with Southeast. Because of what Kaduna and Zogu did. Ukwuani people wey run enter Benin people they kill them. Say the Igbo people. Ukwuani people wey run enter Urobadi Sokoland. Urobadi Soko people they kill them. Say the Igbo people. Because of Kaduna and Zogu. See the entire Igbo race as they kill our people like fowl. Yet you have the guts, carry your dirty mouth. They talk, say, make Anioma people and Southeast not unite. I hate seeing people spreading propaganda. Even when you are speaking the same language with the Southeast, you say, no, make we unite Anioma people alone. You don't unite your village. Your own village is not united. We say, no, make we not do village to village something. Make we unite the entire Igbo race. Make we get one voice. You want to unite Anioma people? How many Anioma people be? If Anioma people can't unite, we there on our own. We not go unite with our Southeast brothers. During the Kumeku War, Anioma people were fighting with the British. Anioma people do British, waiting not good. Britain soldiers were Anioma people kill for that war. Too much. Because of that war, nine make Britain hate Igbo people. Enter bone reach today. As Britain hate Igbo people, they not hate only Anioma people. They hate the entire Igbo race. Everything Igbo, the British hate it till date. The marginalization where Southeast people they face today, now because of Kaduna and Zogu. The marginalization where the Southeast see they face today, now because of a Kumeku war where we Anioma people fight with British. And you will see an idiot from Anioma telling you, we don't want to unite with Southeast. They are the major problem. Make they their own, make we do our own. Oswai. Now you hold the pass. We Igbo people, we kept all our differences aside. Everything that happened for the past among we Igbos, make it be saying a past to be. Because they make we unite as a people. 9 person come out to the talk, say, make we unite only Anioma people. These are the people that we tell you, let us get Anioma state and remain in South. People where not they read, people where not know history, people where not know what they happen around them. The same South people that are not treating you right. Now there you want stay. Because lack of knowledge, lack of history don't make you turn against your Southeast brothers. Anybody from Anioma will go tell you say Southeast and Anioma people not be brothers. That person now is why. Now the war papers, the genocide against the Igbos. Now where the Anioma people now you pay pass, you not pay on a pass Southeasterners. If you say Kaduna Zoguna from Southeast, you will say hey, he's from Anioma here, from Aquanam. And person from Aquanam will come online, they talk rubbish. When they were killing Southeasterners in the north, where were you Anioma people? Where were you to defend them? It's like you don't know what happened during that war. Not that we are coming from different angles, bombarding our people. Everybody they save himself. If they find who you go blame. Lazy people, all they do is to blame people. Instead of to carry your load, say, now you caused this thing. Let's look for a way to unite. No, you say Anioma people you want unite. What is the benefit of Anioma state if we don't unite with our Southeast brothers? Since outside where we did, in Ukwuani, nothing is going on there. Even with all our crude oil and our resources, nothing is going on in Ukwuani land. And that's because we are in the South. South are marginalizing we Ukwuani people because they know that we Ukwuani people are Igbo people. We are not using our resources, nothing. Make we get Anioma state, make we take our resources, build our land. President say, we need Anioma state, let's remain in South. Anioma people and Southeast and our brothers, make them say that we make we do our own. Now then cause the war. If you want the coming generation to be wise, focus on the women, start teaching women knowledge. Because now women, they stay with children for house. Husband don't go work. Go out now, men they outside, they work. If you go house, mothers and their children, they house. What are they teaching those children? You go there, they tell your children, hey, we are certain some brothers, so hey, now that cause the world, hey, well, you don't they train those children now, they take and they grow. Take and they grow. It's expected of we, the adults, to teach our children the truth about themselves. Teach them what they should know that is important to them and the society. If the women of a country know themselves, if they know the truth, the coming generations go, they're very wise and intelligent because they grew up with the truth. You know what makes Southeast and Anioma people unite? Give us reason. You not fit talk anything. They look like us. Why? We Anioma people are one people with the Southeast. Igbo bofu. Kaduna will not do bad thing, say he do cool. He not do bad thing. People are complaining, he do cool, they kill Northerners, they kill other people. Igbo officers were killed also. Colonials from Igbo land were killed in that coup. That coup is to better the entire country. It's not an Igbo coup. During that coup period, so many Ozwai started propagating that the coup was an Igbo coup. Yoruba officers were among the coup plotters, yet it was never tagged a Yoruba coup. But because Kaduna Zogo is the leader of that coup, they started propagating, say the coup na Igbo coup. We are Anioma people, we are brothers with the Southeast. We are one people, we are not different. We are Anioma people, we are expected to support Senator Network and make sure we actualize Anioma State. Anioma State is expected to be zoned to the Southeast because we are Igbo people. If to say Anioma people not be Igbo people, say we don't speak Igbo language, we not care whether it is South. Anything Southeast is Igbo. We are expected to be with our Southeast brothers. We are here to fight any propaganda against Igbo nation. We are here to fight any propaganda against we Anioma people. Igbo bofu, and we must never allow misinformation and lies to separate we Anioma people from the Southeast. Ishewale.